not feeling like late January. What another sunny day like that. We'll take it though.
Yeah,
right?
no, it's good, especially after the incredibly gloomy first, 3 weeks of January.
Yeah.
So nice to get a break from that. We've got more changes coming this weekend, though, that are going to get us back towards cold weather, too. Let's start you out with this, though. Speaking of cold, up at Timberline, clouds cloaking the mountain there. And eventually, they decided to break up enough that we could actually see Mount Hood, and the lighting got really good. You could see some darker clouds behind the mountain being all lit up. So wait for it. There we go. It's just a really kind of a cool look right there. Okay, right now, it's just getting cold out there already. It's already down to 36 in Hillsborough, 34 in King City, 44 in Troutdale, still a bit warmer there, but 34 in Sherwood and 37 in Forest Grove. As we move around the valley, see Salem's already down to freezing. So is Tillamook and Corvallis and Newport not far behind, and it's foggy in that part of the valley too. Look at this visibility from Aurora South down to a quarter mile visibility in McMinnville. We're still good in Portland at 10-mile visibility with a cloud deck above us as opposed to the fog right on us. But that's some pretty thick fog in the mid-valley here, some dense fog, and that'll definitely slow traffic down tonight and into the morning hours. Hey, this would slow me down if I looked up and saw it. You need a pair of binoculars or something stronger to really get a good look at it, but binoculars will work. It's a comet named ZTF. Help me out with this one again, David. The Zwicky Transit Facility.
Named after microphone?
Maybe named after the, isn't it the observatory down at Mount Palomar?
It is.
Southern California.
Exactly, down in Southern California.
Transient Facility, is that what we said?
I think so, yeah, that's it. Anyway, this is where they discovered said comet, ZTF, so they named it after the facility where it was discovered. Jim and Karen Young took this picture last night, though, on the Oregon coast. So if you have a clear sky, most of us don't, look to the north. This is where the comet is here in relation to the horizon down here, about 45 degrees up and just to the east of due north a little bit. And again, with a pair of binoculars, you should be able to get a glimpse of it. Pretty cool. There is there is an air stagnation advisory in the valleys here until Thursday, because the air in the valley just isn't getting moved and mixed out at all. So everything we put into it is staying put. And that air stagnation advisory continues until Friday afternoon for the Columbia Basin. We made 51 in Portland today, though, because of the fact that we had that sunshine. Contrast that with Eugene, which was stuck in the fog and low clouds all day, only 39. Salem, 44. So it really, really depended on whether or not you had a clear sky or not. And that is not an error down at Brookings. They did hit 70 today. Offshore flow, Brookings warms up. It's a warm air mass aloft, and they tapped into that. Scattered high clouds on the east side right now, but there's no major weather system coming our way until Saturday night and Sunday. There's a minor one coming our way Thursday night into Friday for just a few showers there. But the one dropping down the coast to BC Saturday night and Sunday will usher in much colder air from BC, basically. So we'll likely get some snow showers late Saturday night, early Sunday. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but I'll show you what the model, and then after that, it looks like it's going to dry out for a while anyway, but stay clear and cold. So here's what this looks like. Here's the system coming in Thursday night and Friday, just green, just rain. We'll zoom in a little bit. This is 11 a.m. on Saturday, rain, and then by Saturday night, snow or a rain-snow mix over the Portland metro area for a couple of hours, and then it clears out as that colder air comes in from the north. So what about how much snow we might see? Well, the modeling is interesting on this. Wanted to give Portland, this is Saturday at 5:30 showing nothing but Mount Hood about a foot. And then from Saturday afternoon to Saturday night, suddenly there's an inch of snow in Portland. And that's possible. I don't think that's the most likely scenario. And then after that, nothing. So it's a quick hit, but it is possible that we end up with an inch of snow. Again, I think it's more likely we get just scattered snow showers and then it clears out. 43 right now, and the freezing level is still quite high. All right then, fog forming tonight, that's happening, and then in the morning, fog, and then sun after that with a high of 49. Basically a lot like today. That's our forecast tomorrow. Thursday, similar, and then Friday, we get the showers in the morning, then it clears out. Then Saturday night and Sunday is when it gets cold, Dave. And look at those morning lows on Monday and Tuesday, down in the low 20s.
Better enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah.
Thank you, Matt.
Sure.
And still to